Number 1. Your time on the job site is too valuable to waste grinding down dull tools. Keep your momentum going with the OX replaceable tip chisel. Why stop working when you can just swap the blade? Get long-lasting sharpness instantly with replaceable tips stored right in your custom holster alongside extra bolts. Built for the toughest jobs, the durable through-tang construction easily absorbs heavy hammer strikes without sacrificing control. It is slim, lightweight, and engineered for easy handling. Never compromise your edge again. Oaks, unleash the power. Number 2. Meet the exciting all-rounder for every project on your workbench. Need to tackle a tricky repair? The Bessie Mini Vise S10 adapts to your demands with effortless control. Its low-weight design quickly locks onto your table with the supplied clamps, instantly transforming any surface into a secure workstation. Keep your materials perfectly steady using the precision guide rods for reliable parallel clamping up to a 100mm opening. Working with awkward shapes, the integrated crossed V-grooves firmly grip round, pointed, and angular components so nothing slips. You can even drop in wooden dowels to confidently lock down large, circular workpieces. Remove the guide rods to seamlessly clamp at up to a 25-degree angle, positioning your work exactly where you need it. Secure your success on every task. Bessie, simply better. Number 3. When your project demands extreme depth and relentless power, standard tools just won't cut it. Engineered with aggressive tungsten carbide teeth, the ProFit hole saw tears through your toughest jobs with absolute ease. Tired of stopping to swap tools or clear out materials on deep cuts? Now you can power through complex, multi-layered structures, including solid wood, dense fiberboard, and thick insulation, all in a single continuous pass. You get highly accurate results every single time, ensuring clean, perfect holes without the blowout. With a massive maximum cutting depth of 300mm, no roof structure or thick wall assembly can stand in your way. Leave ordinary attachments behind and bring the ultimate deep cutting solution to your next job site. Experience unmatched precision, reach, and raw power with ProFit. Number 4. Meet the ultimate precision companion for your creative projects. The Greenworks rotary tool puts absolute control right in the palm of your hand. Swapping bits is instant thanks to the patented automatic shaft locking design. Under the hood, a concentric coaxial system delivers smooth, relentless power. Never guess your settings. The smart LED display gives you real-time battery life and speed levels at a glance. Need to work in the shadows? The 360-degree LED light fully illuminates your workspace for flawless accuracy. Driven by an 80-watt permanent magnet motor, it pushes through heavy resistance with ease. Armed with 52 versatile accessories, you are ready for any crafting challenge. Carve intricate wood, slice metal wire, polish jewelry, or engrave glass with total confidence. Available in multiple bold colors, everything packs neatly into one premium case. Master your craft with Greenworks. Number 5. Transform the hassle of finishing flat panels with a smarter mounting system. Just secure the hardware to your edges for total control. Now you can paint, stack, trim, and dry your doors with absolute ease. The advantage is in the unique eye-shaped design, fully equipped with rotating fixtures. Need to coat both sides? Simply grab, lift, and seamlessly flip your entire workpiece without ever touching the fresh paint. By keeping your panels perfectly elevated, you guarantee 360-degree airflow for noticeably faster drying times. Engineered from high-quality nylon glass fiber, these lightweight brackets are built incredibly tough to handle heavy-duty shop use. Clear up your floor space by stacking multiple boards vertically, then easily detach the mounts when the job is done. Paint like the pros on every single project. Saker. Number 6. Meet the world's best-selling pre-separator for wet-dry vacuums from Oneida Air Systems. Now, the industry standard just got even better with the introduction of the all-new Dust Deputy 2.5. It is completely upgraded and specifically designed to match the massive power of today's larger vacuums. You can seamlessly insert standard 2.5-inch hose cuffs directly into the inlet and outlet for a fast, secure connection. Experience up to twice the airflow when tackling your toughest job site messes. Whether you are pulling up scattered hardware or clearing out heavy rock and rubble, it consistently delivers maximum collection capacity with unbeatable suction. It is the perfect companion for your table saw or any shop tool utilizing a standard dust port. The advanced cyclonic action actively separates 99% of fine dust directly from the airstream. All that heavy waste drops straight into your collection bin, guaranteeing your main vacuum and internal filter stay completely spotless. Maintain peak suction power and eliminate constant filter replacements. Proudly made in the USA, American ingenuity is alive and well.
Number 7.
Take total control of your workspace with the Festool Eccentric Offset Chuck for your 18-volt cordless drills. Keep your momentum going by snapping it on instantly with the tool-free Fast Fix interface. Stop fighting awkward angles. Now you can effortlessly drill perfectly straight holes right up against the tightest boundaries. Drive your fasteners flawlessly along brackets and joints without compromising your work. Working inside cramped cabinetry, this intelligent offset design provides maximum clearance, completely protecting your delicate workpieces from costly scratches. When the layout shifts, simply detach and rotate the head to adjust your angle in seconds. You get the exact positioning needed to reach deep into tight top corners with absolute precision. Conquer every impossible space. Festool.
Number 8.
Achieve flawless results every time with the Comatic PD80 Edgeband Trimmer. Dial in your exact depth using the exclusively patented adjustment system. With ultra-precise 0.05mm increments, you guarantee a perfect cut while completely preventing costly surface damage. Swapping out your hardware is fast and secure, keeping your workflow moving. Experience the raw cutting power of a 30,000 RPM router bit, delivering a remarkably smooth edge finish through simple, safe operation. Never let debris ruin your sightline. The innovative telescopic vacuum cover provides ultimate protection while delivering highly effective suction to keep your workspace spotless. Seamlessly transition to radius trimming to conquer complex corner joints, leaving behind a premium, professional-grade finish. Need to touch up a final detail? Grab the hidden edge razor to handle minor manual trims with absolute ease. Master every edge with Comatic.
Number 9.
Take your woodworking to the next level with the Saker chamfer plane. Instantly transform sharp, rough corners into perfectly smooth, angled edges with one effortless pass. Need a custom look? Easily drop in a specialized cutter head to match your design. It glides seamlessly down long boards, giving you absolute control to shape beautiful profiles. Quickly clean up raw edges for a flawless, professional finish. With 6 unique, interchangeable cutter heads, you have the versatility to tackle any detail. Just swap, lock it down, and get to work. Deliver clean, consistent results across your entire stack. Saker.
Number 10.
Transform your standard angle grinder into a precision woodworking powerhouse. The Wolfcraft Biscuit Jointer attachment threads directly onto your existing tool, locking down securely for heavy-duty stability. Dial in your exact dimensions for standard biscuit sizes with a simple twist, and you are immediately ready to work. Effortlessly plunge into your boards to create perfectly aligned slots for seamless flat joints. Working with complex designs, the fully adjustable fence lets you lock in 45 and 90-degree angles to execute flawless edge cuts in seconds. Simply fine-tune the height to match your material thickness, guaranteeing clean, razor-sharp precision on every single pass. Keep airborne debris from ruining your sightlines by attaching the integrated dust bag for a completely spotless workspace. When it is time for assembly, just apply glue and slide in your biscuits to create incredibly strong edge-to-edge bonds. Build rigid right-angle structures with absolute confidence, or seamlessly slot pre-beveled edges to conquer tricky mitered corners without the guesswork. Lock together perfect, professional-grade joints every time. Master your craft with Wolfcraft.